Josh Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda Accord Sport 2.0 Turbo. This vehicle does come equipped with full LED headlights, daytime running lights, and fog lights. You will get the upgraded 19-inch rims. You'll have keyless entry as well as remote start. You'll have a 12-way power seat with lumbar support. You also have the all-weather floor mats and all footwells. You'll have steering wheel controls to be able to cycle through menus, answer your phone calls, control the volume. You'll also have the Honda Sensing Suite, which includes lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control. You'll also have the paddle shifters. A nice size display, includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll be able to Bluetooth your music into the car. You'll have dual climate control, heated seats. You'll have a USB port and power port. An Econ on a sport mode. You also have electronic parking brake and a brake hold feature. You'll have an additional power port and USB port here in the center console. Comes with a sunroof. Place to store your sunglasses. You'll have a capless fuel filler. Vehicle comes with a backup camera with 3 different views. A nice sized trunk with an all-weather cargo tray. A 60-40 split to be able to fold down the back seats. And under here, you'll have your spare tire set. This is the 2019 Honda Accord Sport 2.0 Turbo here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.